All the investments in the market are subject to your own risk. This channel is not giving any tips, and this channel is not liable to the losses you make. Many people are confused. What is this Tide Water Oil and what are they doing? Tide Water Oil is a lubricant company and it is operating in the market under the brand of Vidal. We all know Vidal is one of the leading lubricant brand in the market. So don't get confused. Tide Water Oil and Vidal are the same company. Tide Water Oil will operate lubricant segment on the brand name of Vidal. So Vidal is a popular brand we all see in the market. Recently, Tide Water Oil has approved for a split from face value 5 rupee to face value 2 rupee, and also it has approved the bonus issue of 1:1 ratio. So it clearly says if you hold 2 shares in Tide Water Oil and first split will be applied and the face value will be reduced to 2. So your 2 shares will become 5 shares. And after that, to the surprisingly, the company also announced a big bonus in the ratio 1:1. So here your 5 shares which are get splitted are now again becoming double. That is, your 2 shares will finally become 10 shares. So this was the big announcement coming from Tide Water Oil. The company has announced the record date on July 27, 2021. So, if you want to multiply your 2 shares into 10 shares and eligible to this big announcement, you should hold your shares on July 27, 2021. Another big announcement coming from Tide Water Oil is their dividend. They announced 4000%, that is 200 rupees per share, a dividend to their investors. So this dividend is on face value of 5 rupees share. So this dividend will be received after this bonus and split, and the same 200 rupees will be given on face rupee of 5, only the percentage will be adjusted. The share price of Tide Water Oil is now at 11,471.6, and it has delivered 160% returns when compared to year on year. So related to our story, Business Standard has published their article. So it was on June 11, 2021 they have published this. So what they said, the Tide Water Oil has issued 1:1 bonus, 200 dividend per share and a stock split. As we Tide Water Oil under the brand name of Vidal, see how many segments it is operating. So it is operating commercial vehicles, tractor oils, two-wheeler oils, passenger cars, small commercial vehicles, automotive greases, and gears and transmission oils. So large segment of automotive oils they are offering their products. So not only this, they are also doing an industrial lubricants. See this: specialty industrials, general industrial oils, industrial gear oils, transmission and hydraulic oils. So a large product range and diversified products they have been. So this is a very big market for Vidal oils. We look deep into how this Tide Water Oil is operating. The Tide Water Oil has started their business in 1928, so it is one of the oldest and standard companies in India. Their head office was in Kolkata, West Bengal. So they have a strong network, that is series 700 direct distributors, 50,000 retail outlets and workshops. So they have a large network operating in India. So as we speak, see, this Vidal is operating for HCVs, buses, tractors and all segments of vehicles. They are doing their gear oils, transmission oils. So all the automobile lubricants they are providing. So they have a large product base. And for industrial application, See this conventional and specialty application oils, greases, and customized products they are giving for this industrial in India. And now we see the Tide water oil in 2011. See here, they acquired 100% stake in Vidal International Limited. It was actually in UK based company. So Vidal has taken 100% shares of that Vidal International Limited in 2011. So after that, Vidal Industrials is now present in more than 65 countries across the globe. So see this how the company was. So it's the biggest company operating 65 countries across the globe. So it's very clear how big the company is. And recently, the Tidewater Oil has entered into a joint venture with JX Noi in a 50-50 partnership. So this JX Noi is the largest petroleum conglomerate in Japan. So now they are targeting the Japanese market also. So now the revenues will be generated in the higher levels. And now see this, who are the clients or the customers? Genuine oil for OEMs. So say this, Royal Enfield, SML Ju, Hero Motor, Honda Seal, Honda Cars, Yamaha. So there is a large customer base also, and the customers also trusted and big brand customers available for Vid oil. So see this, they have Toyota, Yamaha, Johnson Lifts, Mahindra Construction Equipment, Indian Yamaha, and Kubota Agriculture Tractors. So a large client base is also available for this Vidal. So it has a strong client base and strong product base, and across 65 countries it is operating in the business segment. So very good opportunity for this company to generate higher revenues in the coming period. Let's see how the results of Tide Water Oil are. We have to compare from March 2020 to March 2021. So see the sales 305 to 365. The sales have been improved, and see the operating profit from 28 crores to 43 crore. So there is significant improve in the operating profit year on year basis. So if we take quarter on quarter, there is a decline small, and the sales have been flat. So but we consider year on year. So year on year is there is a significant rise in their operational performance. So now we see this part, we have to select, yes, and see the PBT 33 crore, and now it was 49 crore. So there is a huge improve in the PBT. And coming to net profit 23 crore, now it has become 37 crore. There is strong performance in the net profits also compared to year on year. And see this, the EPS, earning per share, 66.57 in March 2020, and now it became 105. So there is a strong increase in EPS and net profit as well. So there is a strong performance year on year basis in Tide Water Oil. Now let's see the P&L accounts, how they are looking. So I am taking last 5 years from March 2017 to March 2021. So the sales have been improved from 1130 to 1258 crore. There is a good growth in sales, standard growth is seen, and the profits also 136. Now it has been 164, though there is a strong operational performance. See here, constantly and consistently they are operating profit has been improved. So there is a strong operational performance. So the other income is also standard, so it is not impacting any profits here. So now let's see the PBT and the net profit. Yes, see here, this part you should consider. Yes, PBT was 159, now it was 185. So in 5 years they have been performed extraordinarily in the profit tenses also. And the net profit 108, now it has been reached 141 crores. See this, a big improvement in the net profit in the past 5 years also. And now coming to EPS, 310 to 405. So this was a big jump in EPS for Tide water oil. So they have been performed strong from the last 5 years also. Now let's see their balance sheet. So this was the balance sheet, and let's take March 27, the last 5 years. So now how the borrowings, see the borrowings were 29 crore and now reduced to 18 crore. So this is a plus point, the borrowings has been reduced. And now see what are the fixed assets doing. So the fixed assets from 231 to 277. So fixed assets also increased. So this is another a good point in balance sheet. And now let's go to cash flows. So see from this part, yes, cash from operating activity, so it reached 69 versus 35 in last 5 years, though it is a decline in year on year, yes, but it has been improved when compared to 5 years. So from investing, so see this, minus is there, minus is there, minus is there, and 24 in March. Now this year it turned again positive to 38. So this is another good sign. And now see the overall net cash flow. Yes, I want, sorry, financing activity. See this, minus 50. Yes, it was another small issue is there, but you don't need to consider that much on financing activity, and it will increase year on year, as we all know that. And coming to overall net cash flow, this is the important thing we should consider. Yes, this part. So 2, it has went minus in between and now reached positive to 5. So this is another good point, it turned positive and staying at 5. So the net cash flows are looking some better and standard for this Tide water oil performance. Now let's see the ratios, ROCE. So see this ROCE, it has been constantly and standardly maintained. So this is another good sign, though there is no improve, and at the same time there is not a decline also. So they are performing in a standard way. Now let's see the shareholding pattern. So see this, the promoter is constantly holding, they are not selling a single percentage in this share. So they have trust in this company, and the FII is also constantly holding, and DIS also constantly holding, no change in public interest. So everything is constant from June 2018 to 21. So this is a good sign, nobody is selling their shares, they know that company has a good future. So the promoters and as well as public are also holding the shares same as in 2018. This is a good point for the company. So overall, the company is looking a stand. Overall, the performance of Tide water oil is growing constantly and steadily, and it has great opportunities to deliver higher revenues in future. Please do like, comment, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon.